On this short video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to start a live streaming video on YouTube. So to begin with, I'm going to open up Google Chrome and go to youtube.com. Now I'm using Google Chrome because it pretty much works best on Google Chrome because YouTube is of course owned by Google. Now when I'm on my landing page here, I'm going to go to the little plus in the video camera here and I'm going to choose Go Live. Now from there, there's a couple of hoops to jump through before you can actually start streaming. So to begin with, we need to come up with a name for our streaming video. I'm going to say Book Time Year 3. And then we get to choose whether the stream is going to be public, unlisted or private. Now, really the best option here is unlisted. What that basically means is that nobody can just kind of stumble across your live stream. They need to have the link to be able to access it. So I'll show you what that means in a minute. So before I press next, I'm going to choose yes, this is made for kids, and then on to the next stages. It asks me to take a picture as a thumbnail. There we go. And now we can go live. And there we go, we're now live streaming. Now at this point, there's obviously absolutely nobody watching and nobody's even aware of this live stream's existence. So what I need to do is go to the share box here and this will produce a link. Now this link I could share through an online learning platform or email home or through some sort of parent mail solution, and I can send that to the children for them to click on and it will launch them directly into this live stream. The nice thing about live streams is that they're kind of endless. You could just keep on going and going and going. So you could wait for 15 minutes while people are joining your live stream before you start your live lesson or whatever it is that you'd like to do on live streaming on YouTube.